Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the device and taking the first action now. Make sure your phone is unlocked and running an Android build that includes System UI Tuner. That's why you check settings and developer options quickly. Once done, pull down Quick Settings and press and hold the settings gear for about 5 to 10 seconds until it animates. This unlocks the tuner. If nothing happens, keep developer options ready. You'll use ADB as a fallback in the next step. Once the System UI Tuner appears in settings, tap it to open controls and start customizing. You can toggle which status icons show, tweak Do Not Disturb behavior, and drag Quick Settings tiles into your preferred order for faster access. If the menu was removed by the OEM or Android update, make sure USB debugging is on, connect via ADB, and run the command shown to enable the tuner. This grants access so you can continue tweaking without waiting for an OS restore. To complete the process, apply your changes, exit settings, and test them across lock screen, apps, and different profiles so you confirm behavior. Make sure to note what you changed in case you want to revert. You can disable the tuner from its entry or run the ADB command with 0 to turn it off. If the option disappears after an OS update, try resetting secure settings or rerunning the ADB enable command. That single troubleshooting tip often restores access without factory resetting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.